Nutella gelato from Belgian Gelato in Charleston, South Carolina. By far the most awesome thing I've ever eaten. The Old Pink House in Savannah, Georgia, it had the best seared scallops we've ever had and the most perfect ambiance ever. So yeah, I'd go back there all the time. Probably San Francisco. I do an Italian sub, but with no Italian dressing because, ew. I'm simple. I just like pepperoni and cheese. But sometimes if I want to have like the old school Pizza Hut days, which Pizza Hut can't even give me anymore, we actually go to Domino's and get a pan pizza supreme. So like sausage, he gets mushrooms, so sausage, pepperoni, onions, and green pepper. I don't know why, but Domino's tastes like 80s pan pizza from Pizza Hut. Not really. If I'm intrigued by something, I'll usually just go ahead and try it. Hair on food will send me retching, and it's happened a few times. I try not to eat in restaurants that allow uncovered beards in the kitchen, you know, like hipster places. Ugh, God, next subject, I'm gonna heave. Neither. I can never seem to get the right airy, fluffy cinnamon rolls that I've gotten at a few rare bakeries. It is my nemesis for sure. My delicious, delicious nemesis. Anything with caraway seeds in it. If I even smell one tiny seed, I will literally get sick. I eat both daily, so both. Medium to medium well, though when I was a kid, I used to order it burnt. Even a little bit of pink would totally send me running. I cook daily and I really do like that, but baking is more relaxing to me. None anymore since they've kind of all gone in the crapper. Like last week, we did try to get some from a you-know-where and asked for a fresh cheeseburger, maxed up cheeseburger value meal. And they gave us cold fries with our fresh burger. Ugh. Brenda's French soul food of San Francisco, but it's probably better that it's not because their French toast with the praline sauce and their chocolate beignets and their crab meat beignets or crawfish beignets. Oh my lord, yeah, it's better they're not here. Chocolate mousse cake. I'm kind of weird about party food. I have seen too many people double dip or cough and then touch stuff to really be able to enjoy it. But if it's a small gathering or like I'm first on the scene, then you'll find me by the cheese ball. Let's see, frosted cutout cookies, my grandma's egg noodles, of course, over mashed potatoes, ginger molasses cookies, ooh, and mom's veggie pizza. Peanut butter and banana Nutella sandwich because it's what I wanted for breakfast this morning, but I forgot that we're out of Nutella. My aunt taught me this one. A1 steak sauce on cottage cheese and ketchup on my eggs. Let's see, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Easter, okay, any of them. Balut, at least I think that's how you pronounce it. It is basically a baby duck inside the shell. Pardon me while I hurl. No, not really. Veggie pizza. I'll have to do a recipe on it. Scrambled. Like my brain some days. China Coast. Oh my lord, what I wouldn't do for one more deep fried roll and some extra spicy pork jajangmyeon. Oh my lord, so good. In between. I need to know that it's been toasted, but I don't want to be scraping off any black stuff. Yes, the spicier the better, but you know, not to the point where it like sears off your taste buds and then you can't taste for 3 hours. I love it, except for squid. Keep that far, far away from me. Oh, when you were a kid, did you ever like chew up your food and say you were on the seafood diet and then you opened your mouth and showed all the grossness? Okay, never mind. I was gonna say salad, but lettuce, which is the main component of salad. So thank you so much for watching this crazy food tag, and thank you so much to Elliott for tagging me. You can check out his channel in the description box below. And I'm just going to nominate anybody who wants to do it. I know that's kind of a cop-out, but I'm always interested to see what people have to say. So if you feel like doing it, go ahead and do it. If you want to, pick 5 questions out of there and leave your answers in the comments. Thanks for watching.